Welcome to the in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So let's first open the notification panel, and now here we can see all the available icons. We can add here more icons or remove some of these icons. If you want to also change the positions, I'll help you with this right now. So how we can do that? Just click here on the left down corner on this edit icon. Now we can see on this two down sections that we have to just 6, 7, 10 more icons which we can add to our notification panel. So how to add them? Just hold one from the icon and drag it here to this up section. By the same way we can add here more icons. Just hold them and just drag them here to this up section. If you want to just remove some icons from here, just hold it and drag it. So as we can see, that's so simple to do. To change the position of the icons, nothing new, just hold and drag this icon to the position where you want to change it. And to save the changes, just go back, and now you can see here the changes on our notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.